This is such a cute stitch. So I've seen it called many things like little hearts and heart to heart, and very, very cute. So this is done on an even number of stitches. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. And let's start this. So it's only a 2-row repeat. So it's very simple. So you're going to knit the first and the last stitch. And all the others you're going to knit with a double turn. So double turn. Now do the whole row since I don't have that many stitches. So double turn on each one. There we go. Isn't this pretty? And this would be very nice, like for a little girl's dress. Would be very sweet. I think I'm going to be making a table runner with this, or placemats, because this doesn't curl at all since the 2 rows are done in a knit way. So there we go. This is the last one, and the last one I knit. Row number 2, you knit the first one and the last one. And then what we want to do is purlwise unravel 2, put them back on your left hand needle, knit the second one, take it off your needle, and then knit the first. So let's do that again. Unravel, unravel, put them back on your left hand needle, go under, like in between that stitch, you go and pick up the second one, you knit it, and then the first one. So unravel, unravel, bring them back to your left hand needle, pick up the second stitch, knit it, and then the first. So again, unravel, unravel, bring them back to your left hand needle, go in between that stitch, like in the middle of that stitch, and pick up the second one, and then you knit the first one. So unravel, unravel, bring them back to your left hand needle, knit the second one, knit the first, unravel, unravel, bring them back, knit the second one, and knit the first, unravel, unravel, bring them back, go under that stitch and pick up the second one, knit it, take it off your needle, and then the first. So this is very easy. This is a very easy stitch, and it looks very pretty on both sides. I'm going to show you, so it would look very nice, like for a summer scarf. So the second and then the first. Unravel, unravel, knit the second one, and then knit the first. Go inside that stitch, pick up the second one, knit it, then knit the first. Unravel, unravel, bring them back, knit the second one, and then knit the first, and then the last stitch you knit. Let me show you how it looks on both sides. This is the wrong side. Look how pretty that is also. So of course you can, this is the right side. So this is very nice. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.